In the heart of the lush, green Mangala Jungle, where vines curled like ribbons and birds sang like flutes, lived a young crocodile named Callie. Callie was not very big, but she had a sharp mind, shiny green scales, and a wide, friendly smile. Callie loved the cool, flowing river. She could swim like the wind, glide silently under lily pads, and even catch fish without making a ripple. "The river is my playground," she often said. "It's where I feel most alive." But one sunny day, all the animals in Mangala Jungle gathered around a tall, old tree where the jungle games were being announced. "There will be climbing, running, jumping, and more," roared Toby the tiger, who was the jungle's referee. "The winner will receive the golden banana trophy." Callie's eyes sparkled. "I want to join." "Crocodiles don't run fast," snorted Zena the zebra. "They definitely can't climb," giggled Millie the monkey. "But I'm clever," said Callie, a little unsure. "Maybe I can still try." "Good luck, water wiggler," teased Leo the leopard as he flicked his tail. The next morning, the games began. The first event was tree climbing. Millie zipped up in seconds. Callie tried, but her claws kept slipping on the bark. She fell with a soft plop. Next came the great jungle sprint. Callie waddled and huffed, but her legs were too short and heavy for land. Leo won easily, zooming past like lightning. Feeling embarrassed and tired, Callie sat by the river and dipped her tail in the cool water. Suddenly, a splash, a scream echoed across the jungle. Tiny Tara the tamarin had fallen off a vine and was hanging above the river, clinging to a thin branch. "I'm going in." Callie dove into the river without a second thought. With powerful strokes, she reached Tara in seconds and gently lifted her onto her back. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!